When I was a kid, my dad used to always take us out into nature. He would take us to zoos and to see animals in their natural habitat as well. You know, even this last summer, my dad took us out to see this giant herd of American bison in nature. It was awesome. V and I have wanted to do the same thing for Ailani, but you know, we live in a big city and it's challenging sometimes to get away and get out to the countryside. But we have to remember that right here in the city, we have this beautiful place that we can go out and see animals. And you know, I know people have different feelings about zoos, but I personally believe zoos are a beautiful place that we can have animal ambassadors that teach people about taking care of nature and loving nature and respecting and caring for the other inhabitants of this planet. So this is us checking out the Saigon Zoo. We're going to the zoo. What animals are you gonna see?
Giraffe.
You see the big giraffe. What else? That's right, baby. Tigers and giraffe. Alright guys, today we have come to the zoo. Ailani and V are right over here. They're getting ready to go in and check out some animals. We came to take some pictures and to bring Ailani back. She is almost 3 years old and this is her 3rd time back to the zoo. And there's a giant rat right there. That's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna go check out the zoo. Come on. Where are we, Nee?
Where are we? We're at the zoo.
Zoo? You wanna go see some animals? What animal you wanna see first?
Let's see the bird, shall we?
Bird?
Right here, the bird.
Okay, let's go see some bird. Oh! This is a peep.
No. Oh, it's big, huh?
That's all they do.
Thật ra thì đây là lần thứ N đi tới sở thú rồi, nhưng mà đối với Ailani thì đây là lần thứ 3. Thì cách đây khoảng 5-6 năm thì khi mà vào sở thú thì lúc nào cũng có cảm giác rất là buồn, tại vì không có nhiều người chăm sóc, với lại cũng không có được đầu tư nhiều, cho nên là thú nhìn rất là ốm và nhìn rất là hơi bị bệnh một xíu. Nhưng mà ngày hôm nay thì có thể thấy là mọi người đã đầu tư vào cái sở thú rất là nhiều, và mình có thể thấy những cái thú là được chăm sóc rất là kỹ, cho nên rất là vui. Cho nên rất là cảm ơn những cái người mà đã làm cái điều này cho sở thú, vì đây là một cái nơi mà gần như là duy nhất mà trẻ em ở Sài Gòn có thể đến và cảm nhận được thiên nhiên. Cho nên là xin được cảm ơn những người đã làm nên sở thú ngày hôm nay. Have you heard about summer snow? It falls beneath the brother's clothes. As it melts away for it sinks in.
We're gonna go in to see butterflies. Boom boom, boom boom.
Could it be the morning of the spring when the sea runs dry and start to sing? Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, the more you love, the more you live.
Nè, con chỉ một vàng kìa nha. Hello monkey.
Oh wow, look at the monkey.
Oh, that's it.
We can change size with our hands and hearts. Make
orangutan's kind of addicting.
Short.
Oh yeah, I see it. Daddy's getting a special camera out.
Hold my hand. We're going. We're running.
The giraffes are running. So V and I have embraced our spirit animal. My spirit animal is the giraffe.
My is the hippo.
It's always right to open up your eyes and be the flickering flame. Shine through your eyes. Deep down we are the same. But no, don't worry, darling. They won't succeed, but soon they'll be carried. Oh, the world is changing.
What did Tiger say? What did Tiger say? Wow! One more time. Wow!
I hope that V and I will be able to teach our daughter to really, really, really love and respect and care for all of the animals that she can. Our world is a beautiful place, but it's a place that we have to protect. And nature is not guaranteed forever. Species are going extinct every day. The biodiversity on this planet is shrinking, but we humans, we parents, can take an active role in helping change that, one child at a time. So I hope you guys today can teach your little ones to love and respect all of these beautiful animals. Have a great day. Bye.